with all the frills upon it. I'll be the grandest lady in the Easter parade. You'll be all in clover, and when they look me over, you'll be the proudest fella in the Easter parade. On the avenue, Fifth Avenue, the photographers will snap us, and you'll find the joy in the road to Groveville. Ooh, you may write a sonnet about my Easter bonnet and of the girl you're taken.